come to it perhaps later. For now, let me just say this, that the road maintenance levy is one of the levies and taxes that constitute the ultimate pump price of fuel. Unfortunately, it doesn't fall within the remit of my ministry if I get approved. The road maintenance levy is a levy which is proposed by the Ministry of Transport and Roads. And it goes through the normal process of parliamentary approval, I believe. Thank you.
Majority Leader.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. CS nominee, you have said that nothing changes in the things you believe in. And I want to believe if nothing changes, your publicly known stand on the fight against corruption will continue being so even when you join the ministry, if you are approved. And in view of that, you do know the problems that pervade the power sector, especially in regard